great day. The kid God keep speaking, guys. So, guys, I just want to show you the Blue Mode Price Action System 2023, the non-repaints advanced system. So, as you can all see, the system gave us a sell signal on USDT around these points. Gave us a sell, and here it gave us a buy. And then the price came back to test our resistance level. This is our resistance level. You see this black box is a pure resistant levels and advanced resistant level that it doesn't repaint. And this is this black box is the support level, plus this green thing is a fair value gap, guys. This the non-repaint advanced price action 2023, guys, as you can all see. So let's just turn to 15-minute time frame to see what's happening on 15-minute time frame on USDT. As you can all see, what's happening right now on USDT is crazy, guys. No cap. What's happening on USDT right now is crazy. As you can all see, the system it came back to our resistant level. The price, I mean, came back to our resistant level. After touching our resistant level, the price started rejecting with the salt. As you can see right now, it's rejecting with the salt. As you can see, as you can all see, guys, as you can see, let's go to 5 minute time frame to see what's happening on 5 minute time frame. As you can see, what's happening on five minute time frame, guys. The price immediately on the price tapped here on our resistant level, the system gave us a error signal confirming that on 5 minute time frame it will be heavy sell. As you can see, the price sold. It sold up until this current price. But for now, what we're looking for, we're still looking for the price to go bearish up until we reach these favorable gap zones or come back to this zone. So whether the price which means if like want the price to start rejecting the sells and then start buying, we need to wait for the price to come back to these areas, to these favorable gaps or the support level. But for now, I'll just hold the sell because it's still a sell, though the system give me a sell signal here. The price rejected straight on the resistance level. Plus today the morning the price yesterday the price gave us, the system gave us a buy signal arrow, plus it created a support level. As you can see, the price started going up, the price started rising up until today in the morning. It gave us another buy signal here. It created a support level. As you can see, once it created a non-repaint support level. Note that this system, guys, it doesn't repaint the blue mode price action system 2023. As you can all see, guys, the price made double it created a support level here. As you can see, the price started rising, creating and then it created a favorable gap around this zone, and then the price tapped in on favorable gap here, and it started rising again up until it reached our support level. Plus we got a trend line here, guys. So guys, this system doesn't repair. This system works on 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, 30 minute time frame, and 1 hour time frame, guys. Before, like, if you want to get entries with the system, you need to first wait for the price to go to the resistance level or the support level. After the price is at that zone, just wait for the system to give you a sell signal arrow that will show you the market directions. Yeah. And like you need also to watch this, be careful with this favorable gaps. The green favorable gap stands for buys, and the red favorable gap, it shows that the market is still going to sell. My first take profit will be around this area, and then like my second take profit and then my third take profit. Let's go to 15 minute time frame to see what's happening. As you can see, the price is still dropping nicely. The price is still dropping nicely, guys. The price is still dropping nicely, guys. No cap. Let's go to Nasdaq. Let's see what's happening on Nasdaq right now. As you can see, guys, what's happening on Nasdaq right now. the price rejected straight on our fair value gap, and then it did touch our trend line here. One two, it touched our trend line, showing that now the price it will reject. Now we're back at the support level. Now we're on 15-minute time frame. Let's go to 5-minute time frame to see what's happening on 5-minute time frame. As you can see, what's happening on 5-minute time frame. As you can see on 15-minute time frame now, the price was at the fair value gap. It means the bearish fair value gap means that the price now to reject, to sell, and then we confirm with 5-minute time frame. Check on 5-minute time frame. The system analyzed for us, making our first trend on second touch here. Plus, it gave us a black arrow showing that the market now to sell. Plus, it created the